Right, here's a barbecue that I built a long time ago, never finished it. And one thing and another, with lockdown and Doodie's birthday and blah blah blah, I thought I'd better finish it. So I had to finish it, so I put this grill in it and a tray in the bottom to hold the charcoal. Used it, it was lovely, but what I was finding was happening was that towards the end, if you hadn't quite finished cooking, there was too much of a gap really between the grill and the charcoal, and so at the end you was having to put more charcoal on to get the last bit of heat to finish the cooking. So now here's the thing, I didn't want to put a load more charcoal on for the last 5 minutes because then it's all wasted and you burn it all away. So I thought I need to be able to raise that charcoal holder up, because I can't lower this like any other barbecue or make it higher, because that lifts up as you throw your charcoal in there. So I thought, right, but there's one way of doing it then. So I did it. All you do is you turn a handle, raise it up, move it up, cook the meat, heat it up. Your dinner's ready, pops! What about that then? Or, there she goes.